Look at this sucker here. Whoa. Nothing like getting out before the sun comes up. Hey, good morning. Welcome back, Anonymous Biker USA. We're on our 2023 Royal Enfield Himalayan, and we are out early Sunday morning. Found some trails, some new ones that are a little bit of a hike away. So you got to get up early and start the day. Wow, Carter's Lake is really empty. Is heading outside a small town of Chatsworth, Georgia. Tiny town, quiet town. Texaco. Ha ha ha. Pretty awesome. Old gas pumps. Look at that. Let's take a stop. Look at that. Texaco. Old pump. Old store, another old pump there. Pretty neat. It's an actual store. Clean too. This is 24 cents a gallon. That's it, yep, this is it. Old CCC Camp Road. Alrighty then. Here we go. Caution, pavement ends. Okay. Wow, look at this house, man. Like, are you... Talk about... That's amazing. Alright, pavement ends. That's what we wanted to hear. Yes! Oh, look at this. Oh. Alright, man. This is a good find.
From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while.
Chattahoochee-Oconee National Forest. Nice. Cohutta watershed. Oh man, this is an awesome road. I mean, it's not like technical or anything, but it's a great ride. What's this say here? Alright, guess we're gonna wait. Yeah, that's pretty steep. So I figured this was going to be two-way for sure because of how good a condition this is. Ooh, these are steep and tight. And I'm just taking time because traffic. This is getting a little better. Alright, tell you what. Let us put on the AB, take off the ABS. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000. Alright. This is like really nice hard packed gravel. Holy smokes. There's a lot of water down there. And this thing is just boom. Oh, that's steep. Cool. Kind of following the creek. That's Forest Road 68. What does this say? Mulberry Gap ahead. No clue. Well, let's just figure it out. We can always go back out and head up. Oh, look at this. Lloyd's Mountain. Well, how about that? Look at this thing in the middle of the woods with an old house behind it. No way. Whoa. Alright, I think this is worth a stop. Definitely leave it in gear here. If not, we'd be going down the mountain. In the middle of the woods. Lloyd's Mountain. Look at this thing. Maxim Motor Company, Middleborough, Massachusetts. Shift, clutch. There's the water gauge for the pump. Whoa. Smells good. Wow. This is wild. Last inspection sticker, 1981. Wow, look at this thing. Somebody broke the headlight, and what an idiot. What a dummy. Looks pretty awesome. This is a good scene for a horror movie. Maybe I'm in a horror movie. You see that grill coming at you down this road in the woods in the dark? Doo-doo-doo. Wow. Lloyd's Mountain. Then you got a house. Private property. Name Lloyd Cox. So this might be Lloyd Mountain. No, that looks empty, but there is a light on in there. Wow. Wild. I'm gonna get a picture of this. And look at the back. Wow. Wow. Pretty neat. Lloyd's Mountain. Interesting. I don't know. It doesn't get much neater than that. Definitely the most interesting thing I found back here. Lloyd's Mountain. Wow. All right. Let's see what else there is on this display. And then we got some asphalt, and it says Forest Service Road 18 right there. Wow, all right. Shake Rag Road. This is wild back here, man. So that was a Wildlife Resource Division, Lake Conestoga. Okay. Should we go up Shake Rag Road? Yeah, maybe we should see what's up there. This is exactly why I got gas. Yeah, look at this. So here, look at this. There's some rando camper in the middle of a plot of land. Wells Cove. Okay. Check that out, that little old chapel over there. Wow, we gotta go down that road. Let's go down this one. Wilderness Trail. Cool stuff. Yeah, look at these washouts. Nice. Nice. Look at this. Cohutta Wildlife Management Area. Alright, so there's a little sign. Oh, let's see what it says. Pinhoti. Oh, no idea what that is. But then. Oh, these are serious switchbacks, man. Oh, wow. Look at this sucker here. Whoa. Oh, there goes that. All right. Boy, that's a big hill. The hellacious drop. And we broke our guard. This is Big Divot. I came up, stopped, went to put my foot down, and the ground wasn't there, and that just tipped over on me. So in a steep bank turn because I was trying to figure out how to navigate this. That's why I got a small ADV, super easy to pick up, 500 pounds. Just rip it right up. All right. So I broke the hand deflector, but it did its job. And I bent my bar end there, so that's one on each side because I dropped it on each side. So that'll just give me the opportunity. What I'll do is upgrade the hand guards. Give me some bark busters. Holly Creek. So Highway 52 is where I came. 411 is that way. What is up here? I wonder if that has a little trail map on it. Yeah, it might. Let's go check. You are here. Okay. Well, that helps me. Here's Old Camp Creek Road. All right, so this is where I came in. I came all the way down. Okay, we could have went that way. We didn't. We came here. Where is Highway 411? Here's Shake Rag. Here's Wilderness. I don't know where 411 is. No clue. Can't see it on here. Here's Highway 52. Highway 52. Not sure where 411 is. Oh, it's way up here. Holy smokes. That's like 3 hours. All right. That I found 2 miles. So let's see if it takes us back. So we'll continue going this way. And see if it comes out. All right, so this takes us out to, this is Cohutta Road. So the adventure led us out. Boy, there's all kind of ways to go back there, though. Pretty amazing. So we had some easy, we had some mild challenge. We saw some streams, some creeks, a lot of washouts. We had a nice drop. So this is going to take me out to Highway 2. It's going to take me out to Highway 2, and I will start my adventure back a little over 100 miles.
I can't hear